We are Ginsation. We are sisters and co-founders.
I'm Sandra Reid, and I'm the Chief Executive Officer and co-founder.
And I'm Sheylon Haywood, the Chief Operating Officer.
So Ginsation is a ginger beverage product. It is organic. It is made from organic Peruvian ginger, and health and wellness starts from within. That is one of the visions that we have as a company.
We are one of a kind here on the market. We have organic Peruvian ginger in our beverage that comes from the Amazon basin. And so the Ginsation difference is that organic Peruvian ginger is the main component of our drink. Ginsation is wanting to move all of our operations to Fairfield, California. We grew up in Solano County. We know that Fairfield, California is resourceful. It is the niche in Northern California for the food and beverage industry.
The city of Fairfield is really great with supporting the local businesses that are here. There's a lot of successful businesses in the surrounding areas. Fairfield has helped them become who they are today.
We can receive the lower cost here, and that's what we're looking to do in terms of logistics, manufacturing, distribution, moving our entire operations here. Not to mention we're already headquartered out of Fairfield, California at the Daily Desk.
Fairfield really has a strong sense of community. And being from the area, being that our families are still here, I currently reside here, chose this place to, raise my children. We really would like to bring everything local, and keep it here.